Hey y'all, so this is not a paid promo, okay? This is something that actually works. So let me tell you, I won a giveaway that was hosted by Eating Body Works for their, they give away on Fridays. So look, I won cleaning products. Now, normally I just go to the store and buy my cleaning products. But since they were sending these to me, I didn't go to the store and get no cleaning products. Now, let me tell you, for a long time, I have been trying to clean this up. I have not been successful. So I have 4 dining room chair tables that have cloth on the bottom. And then I used to have the ones with the wood, so I didn't think too much of it when I got the cloth ones. Now, let me show you what my chairs look like. Let me turn the camera around. This is what my chairs look like. Don't judge me, okay? Do not judge me. But I have a child, and every time she wastes something on the chair, they end up like this. So this is one of the chairs. Now this is the other one. I'm only going to show you 3 of the chairs because I already cleaned one of the chairs. And then let me show you the third one. This is the worst one I got. And look, I tried to clean it, but it's stained. Like you can literally tell where I cleaned it. And the water just stained it. Now look, when I show you this 4th chair, you literally need to click off this video and go to their website and clean and get this cleaning product. Let me show you what it is first. So it's the LauraKay Innovations, and it's called OxiVation Multi-Surface Germ Fighting. And this scent is lavender, and it's supposed to be a safer alternative to bleach. Look behind. I done started mopping and everything with these products. This made me want to go clean my whole house, okay? So let me show you what else I use when I clean my chair. I just use this microfiber towel. This came in the box with my cleaning supplies that I won. So I did not purchase these products. These were given to me. Okay, let me show you what the bottle look like again. Okay? Now look. When I show you this chair, you ain't gonna believe it. Okay? Let me turn my camera back around, okay? So you can see it. Baby! Listen! Look at this chair. She looking brand new. Look at these chairs. Look at this one. Look at the stains on her. How in the heck did this stuff come up? Look. Look at her. She looking brand new. Brand spanking new. Look at this. Look, now here go another one. It's just disastrous. Kids, I tell you, they mess up everything. But look at her. She looking brand spanking new. What I'm about to do is clean the rest of my chair. This chair is dry. Let me show you. This chair is dry. It's dry. I thought it was going to leave another water stain like this chair. But it didn't. Look at her. Brand new. Okay? Go. Look, if you don't go click out this video and go to her Instagram page or his Instagram page and order this stuff, you are a fool. Do you hear me? A fool. Go order you some of this stuff. Oh my God. I will be purchasing this stuff with my own money now. Look, that when I seen that, it made me want to go clean my whole house, make sure, and get my whole house together. Do you hear me? Normally I clean on Thursdays. Today's Friday, so I was a little lazy yesterday. But today, baby, I got up and clean. I'm thinking like, oh, I'm just gonna wash, mop a little bit, vacuum here and there. Look, this stuff made me want to go try and see if it'll get it out of my chairs, and it did. So I'm going to be a little smarter this time and get something to cover it up so I don't have to keep scrubbing it. But, do you look at, she look new. Do you hear me? Brand new. Look at this one. Look, just look. I'm telling you, kids mess up everything you got. But look at this. She, look, brand new. This how this look. Look at that. She cute. Not cute, but cute. Look at that. Y'all, go. Look, this is not a paid promo. I swear to God, this is not a paid promo. Go get you some right now. Okay? Bye.